In this video, I'm going to show you how to create modern, creative motion graphics like these, completely free, using Claude Code and a video agent called Hyperframe. All you have to do is type a prompt, and Claude generates the motion graphic for you. No After Effects, no animation skills, nothing. And here's the thing, I use this exact method in all of my videos. Let's get started. First, make sure you have Claude Desktop installed on your computer. If you don't have it yet, just download it. And yes, you can do all of this on Claude's free plan. But keep one thing in mind, the free plan has usage limits. If you're trying to create a 20 to 30 second animation, you might hit those limits. But for 5 to 10 second videos, totally fine. That's more than enough to get started. Once Claude is downloaded, open it up and head to Settings. There, go to Plugins, then select Partners. Right here, you'll see the Hyperframe plugin. Just click on it and hit Install. As you can see, I've already installed it, so I'll close this. Next, create a folder anywhere on your device. This is where all your generated videos will be saved automatically. Once your folder is ready, go back to Claude and simply type Install Hyperframe. Now, Claude Code will check whether Hyperframe is properly set up on your system. The first time you launch Hyperframe, it checks whether your computer has FFmpeg installed. FFmpeg is the engine Hyperframe uses to render and export videos. If it's missing, don't worry. Just choose the first option and Hyperframe will walk you through everything. It takes about a minute and you only have to do this once. Now here's one small manual step. Installing Homebrew requires your Mac's administrator password, so Hyperframe can't do this part automatically. Simply choose the first option, copy the command it gives you, open Terminal, paste it in, and press Enter. It'll ask for your Mac password. Type it in and hit Enter. Then let the installation finish. After that, you'll see 3 commands. Run them one by one. And once all 3 are done, run this last command. It confirms which Homebrew version is installed. That's it. Now head back to Claude and just type Done. Claude will verify that everything is installed correctly. And there you go. Hyperframe is installed and ready. Alright, let's generate our first motion graphic. I'll start with a super simple prompt. Let's create a glowing progress bar motion graphic. Hit Enter. Okay, Claude is asking a few questions. What should the progress bar represent? Any specific label or value? Since I want a bar that goes from 0% to 100%, I'll pick the first option. For the color, I'll go with neon cyan. Then select your aspect ratio. And that's it, the video is generated. Let's click here and take a look. Pretty impressive, right? Now, this prompt wasn't optimized, so the animation looks fairly simple. But watch what happens when we level up. Oh, and one more thing. The video automatically downloads into the folder you created earlier, ready to use. Now let's go a step further. This time, I'm using a much longer, fully optimized prompt to create a Google search bar animation. I've mentioned everything I want. The style, the motion, the details. Let's generate this one, and check out the final video. This is amazing. Look how clean that is. The animation is smooth and honestly, it looks genuinely creative, like something a motion designer would charge real money for. Now let's push it even further. This time, I grabbed a reference image from Pinterest and used ChatGPT to turn it into a detailed prompt. Watch this. Claude generated an animation that matches the reference almost exactly. How cool is that? And check out this calculator effect. The animation is so clean and minimalistic, and the calculation is 100% accurate. Every digit, every step. Here are a few more examples I've created with Claude. Drop a comment and tell me which motion graphic you liked the most. And one last thing, there's another free plugin that can create stunning motion graphics just like this, using the same method. If you want a full video on that one, just type yes in the comments.